Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles Makeup Monday video, and we are going to be testing out the Joah Truly Yours Drop Foundation. This is exclusively at CVS and I had a hard time getting it, but I've got it now and I've heard great reviews on it, so we're going to give it a try. But it's going to be a quick one because I have to go get my hair done in less than an hour. So let's get started. I didn't even prime my face because I'm in a hurry and I didn't think of it. So we're just gonna do that now. Okay, that was with my Tarte base tape. So let's shake this up. Hopefully it's dark enough since I'm not putting any contour underneath. It looks pretty dark. This is a K-beauty thing, which I'm not sure what that means. I mean, I know it's a Korean beauty thing, and I totally forgot to get my sponge wet, like I always do. So I'm just gonna spread this out with a brush. Oh man, this is pretty light. Oh well. Definitely gonna need that sponge. Oh, it's going down into my, wow, a little goes a long way. That was probably way too much. It's a bit glowy, but I am gonna powder it because that's what I do. I always powder it. Did get it in my eyebrow. All right, so okay, I'm just gonna go over it with my beauty blender real quick. I like it so far. It's very glowy, but I'm sure that'll tone down. It's not nearly as glowy as that one I tried the other day, that new L'Oreal one. That one I didn't like. This one's going to be great though. So now I'm going to go in with my concealer. I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape. And I'm going to come all the way up the side of my nose. Around my nose. And straight up the center. And then I'm going to spread this out with my beauty blender. All right, so far so good. Let's see if we can add a little concealer to that red spot. Looks pretty good. Let's get in the powder before it starts to settle. I'm using my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores powder. Okay, I'm just going to take my powder brush and get the last little bit in here. and do the rest of my face. Get all that nice and set so it doesn't move, and it looks good. So far so good. It's not super high coverage, but I think it's better coverage than some. Okay, so let's go in with our Milani bronzer. See if we can put some color back in this face. This bronzer is really not dark enough for my nose, but I'm just gonna do it anyways, 'cause I'm in a hurry. Good enough. All right, blush. We're gonna use the Dallas blush just because I don't want to think about anything right now. I'm in a hurry. And this is what it's like to put your makeup on quickly without thinking about it. That's what I like, not thinking about it. That was the Benefit Dallas. And then I'm going to use the Cookie Benefit highlighter as my highlighter. I know you would think that since I'm in a hurry, I would skip steps. I did. I skipped the cream contours underneath, right? That's about as... I can't skip them. I'm just anal. And it's like I do things in routine, and that's my routine. So it's really hard for me to skip steps. So now I'm going to take my dual fiber brush and just meld all this together and spray it so that it really doesn't cake or anything. I used to always forget to spray, and sometimes then I would spray at the end, and what a disaster that is if you spray after you put your mascara on. Okay, moving on. We're gonna do Essence Eye Base. Then I'm going to set that with this. Actually, I'm just going to use my powder brush. Set it a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with just some stuff that I always use. I'm using my Bold Obsessions palette from Milani, and I'm going to go into this one that's hit pan already. That's the one I always use for my transition color. I love this color. Why is my mirror so far away? And so low. And I just put this on and pull it up nice and high. And then put it on the outer half of my lid. Now I'm going to go in with a slightly smaller brush, and I'm going to go into the color right next to it. This one right here. Actually, that's a little orangey. I think I'm going to go into this one right here. It's more of a chocolatey. It's got a little bit of shimmer, but I don't care. It's pretty. And I'm going to go into the crease and the outer corner with this color. All right, now I'm going to go in with this brush. It's just a little fat, dense e.l.f. brush. And I'm going to wet it with some Fix Plus. And I'm going to go into my absolute favorite color in this palette, which is this one right here. And I'm going to put that on the inner half of my lid. I didn't get enough spray. This brush didn't even feel wet. There, that's better. Okay. And that's it for this. Well, maybe I'll just use this black in here for my liner. Good idea. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the black in the palette for my liner because I'm in a hurry. And I always start in the middle when I'm smudging like this, because that's what you're going to get. Is a, unless you wet it, and I used to do that all the time. To get a crisp line with eyeshadow, you just need to wet it. And then it basically turns into a liquid liner. But I don't want it to be liquid, I just want it to be beautiful and smudgy. I like this technique for when I'm in a hurry because it gets down in between the lashes and it makes a nice line. You can make a wing, and it's hard to screw it up because it's smudgy anyways. And that's that. And then I just take a Q-tip and clean up the bottom. So now we're going to do the brows. I'm going to use my Brow for my brows. And I'm just going to brush them up and paint them on. I haven't done my henna again yet. I'm going to, but I have to get my hair done today, so it won't be today probably. Alright, I think that's good. I'm in a hurry, remember? I'm going to use my Anastasia brow gel. now I am going to go off camera to do my lashes, and I will be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I just added my lashes. I used my Legendary Lash from Charlotte Tilbury, and I added lips, which is the Revlon vinyl something, the Revlon Ultra HD Vinyl Lip Polish. And this is Act Natural. And that's it. That's all I did. And so far, I like it. I think it's nice. It's not sinking into lines. It's not super high coverage is the only thing. But that's okay. It's not bad coverage. It's just not super high coverage. I can't wait till I start using those face products that I got from Good Molecules that get rid of discoloration. But I have to go online and read how I can use them together, because they each have directions on the bottle, but that doesn't say how well they go together, you know, stuff like that. Anyways, I need to go online or call them or something. So I will check back in at the end of the day and let you know how it did up against hot flashes and getting my hair done. And so I will see you later. Hey guys, I am back. It is the end of the day and I went and got my hair done. That's about all I did. Went out to eat. Shouldn't have done that, but I did it anyways. So this foundation seems to be quite good. It hasn't changed at all. It's beautiful. It's not got the coverage that I like, but it would be incredible. And you saw how quickly I put it on. It would be incredible for like when you're in a hurry, like now, like today was. I think it looks really good. And it's been on for 7-8 hours. So it's been on for a good long time. And it looks amazing. So I'm giving this one a thumbs up. This one is the Joah Truly Yours foundation, drop foundation. I like drop foundations, as you know, because my favorite one is the Catrice one. I think this one does not beat out my Catrice just because it doesn't have quite the coverage. But I didn't try to build it up either. So maybe next time I use it, I'll try and build it up. But I definitely give it a thumbs up. I just would like it to have a little more coverage. Although I've got all that new skincare stuff that's supposed to get rid of all these spots. So hopefully we'll do that. And then this one will be probably my new favorite one because I won't need the coverage. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit that little notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!